Motion and time, class 7. Define motion. Motion is a change in position over a period of time. In class 6, we had already learned about the different types of motions: rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, rotational motion, etc. Fast motion. If a body moves with more speed, the motion is said to be fast motion. And if a body moves with less speed, the motion is said to be slow motion. A racing car is said to be in fast motion, and an old car is said to be in slow motion. In comparison, speed, ratio of distance traveled to the time taken. We can write it as distance ratio time or distance upon time. For example, if we want to cover 5 kilometers and we have options of either taking a car or a cycle, we would choose the car because it has more speed. Thus, to find the speed, we should know two things: distance and time. Uniform speed. A body is said to be moving with uniform speed if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. For example, if a bike covers 5 meters in every 1 second, it is said to be moving in a uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. A body is said to be moving with a variable speed if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time. Example given. What is time? What a clock reads, by Albert Einstein. Clock, anything that repeats itself after a passage of time. Some examples of modern clocks are given. Hourglass, an example of ancient clock. Sundial is a type of clock used in past times that uses the shadow caused by a pointed piece of metal being between the sun and the clock surface to show what time it is. Example, the Jantar Mantar in Delhi. SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. Simple pendulum. An ideal simple pendulum is a heavy point mass or a bob suspended by a weightless, inextensible, and a perfectly flexible string from a rigid support. Mean position, position of pendulum when at rest. Extreme position, maximum distance on both sides of the mean position. Time period is a time by a simple pendulum to complete one oscillation.